It is the largest cliffs in Ireland. It is in County Donegal. It is the largest cliffs in Ireland. Yeah, Slieve League. But I'm going to look up your town right now. Thanks for getting back. I'll let you get back to your DXing.
He was on in the big apple trees making all that noise in my radio. Hello, good afternoon time, 387, Little Old England, but away, back quiet.
Boston, Massachusetts calling here. We'll be on channel 27. There's too much. We're talking. Woodchuck up here in New York, USA.
Hey, good afternoon, New York, 387, Little Old England, with away, back quiet. Hey, 66, you're getting in my radio, mister. Hey, 66, New York, 387's getting in your radio, saying you're making some noise in mine. Hey, good afternoon time to you, 66, New York, 387, Little Old England, with away, back quiet. Hey, 66, God bless you, mister. Put it on you later. Have a super fine day. Cheers and be for a quick get back and the chit chat. Put it on you later. 387, the weakest station in the nation, says have a good day. I see ya.